Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. So we went up yesterday and we made that high up at 1329.75, and the market sold off pretty steadily after that. I mean, we opened up, it ramped up a little bit, and then we had a real outburst high melt up through the Bollinger Bands, and that, at least until further notice, it was the end of the party. So upside happy fun time, at least for now, appears to be over, unless the bulls can take back 1322 and make a run back to 1329, 1330 and make a new high. What seems more likely is that we're going to get a little bit of a correction. The key Fibonacci levels that I'm going to be watching with a leg between 1329.75 beginning at 1195 half on the E-mini are 1301, 1278, 1263, and 1240. We'll call it 1247. So a 50% retrace of this current move is 1262 to 1263, depending on how you want to draw it up. So those are some big Fibonacci levels to watch as we go through things, and I'll continue to reiterate those in future podcasts. Let's talk about today. The GDP numbers came out. They were less than expected. I told people in the room yesterday to be careful, trying to buy this dip and hold it overnight, because when the tape gets like this, when it starts to come off and everybody starts to kind of get off of the long train there, any piece of news that is not liked is going to get hit. And there was a lot to not like about GDP. And if the market wants to be weak, bad news is going to get sold, and that's what happened here. Our current trade is 1309 even. So let's see how things develop today. I still maintain that the bulls have got to get down through the 1306, 1307 level and close below 1303 before, at least on my chart, it can be seen as them having any real momentum for some kind of a retracement. The bulls have got to get back over 13, back over 17, and especially back through 21, 22. The lower volatility level in the room yesterday was 1321.75, which gave us a few great trades for everybody in the room. We broke below that and made a bearish bias, and then we retested that level, and then we really ran lower. So there were a couple real good ones in there for the members. So let's do support and resistance for today. Current trade 1309. On the downside, we will do 1306, 1303, 1298, 1293, 1286, 1283, 1278. On the upside, 1309, 1313, 1316 to 1317, 1322, 1326, 1330, and 1332. So everybody, trade them well today. Use stops and be hedged. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast.